In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a master timeline in Asana, a powerful project management tool known for enhancing productivity and collaboration. So, grab a cup of your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's get started on organizing your projects like a pro. First, open up Asana and let's create a brand new project. Click on the plus sign labeled New Project and select Blank Project. Here, you'll give your project a name that suits your needs. Something like Master Timeline or Company Roadmap works great. Once named, it's crucial to choose the timeline view. This view provides a Gantt-style layout, which is perfect for visualizing your projects at a high level. This will be your main hub, where all big picture elements come together seamlessly. Now that our project is set up, it's time to flesh it out with key milestones and deliverables. Begin by creating sections or columns for various categories, such as product launches, marketing campaigns, events, and team initiatives. These sections will help you to organize your timeline clearly. Within each section, add milestones or summary tasks that represent significant goals. This will give everyone involved a clear idea of the project's trajectory. With these basics in place, the next step is about connectivity. We want all tasks related to our main timeline, even if they originate from other projects. Here we can use multi-homing, which is an efficient way to have one task appear in two places without duplicating work. Start by opening a task from another project, then click Add to another project and select your newly created master timeline. This ensures that any updates made to the task automatically reflect across different projects. Additionally, you can enhance accuracy by employing task dependencies. Select a task and click on Make Dependent On, connecting it with others to see which tasks need completion before the next begins. This method helps in preventing scheduling overlaps and allows for a more streamlined workflow. Finally, let's customize our master timeline with fields that cater to your organization's needs. Add custom fields like department, status, and priority. This customization allows you to filter tasks easily and makes the timeline user-friendly and informative. Once customized, sharing is key. Invite executives and team leads as project members. For those who only need visibility without making changes, use comment-only permissions. If you need to present the timeline, consider exporting it as a PDF or CSV file for a polished look. And there you have it. Your master timeline is ready to streamline management processes, providing clarity and organization to everyone involved. Thanks for watching and happy planning.